Today's video, we're going to be covering some TRT support supplements.
Yep.
Seems like more guys than ever are taking TRT, especially younger guys.
Yes.
And here are some supplements that you can take to support your TRT protocol.
Yeah, and these, you should always speak to your doctor before taking these, but this is after us talking with a lot of people over the years about TRT, getting some feedback from them on what their doctors actually recommended, and then shopping on our site and looking for these types of products. So these are the top three that people tend to buy when on TRT that are actually recommended by their physicians. So the number one being DIM. Now, an issue with people on TRT or any kind of testosterone when you're increasing that test levels is that worry about estrogen levels increasing as well. But also, you do not want to crash those estrogen levels for no reason. So a lot of physicians are actually recommending DIM rather than like arimistane or some of these other harsher estrogen blockers, because this is a more balanced approach to it. This DIM can help with water retention, the mood swings, the stubborn fat, and it can support a leaner look. And again, this is more about balancing your testosterone and estrogen rather than just crashing it and putting it down quickly. So DIM definitely, and this is the 200 milligrams, which a lot of physicians recommend.
Next up, we got saw palmetto, or as you like to call it, saw palmetto.
Yes.
Really popular supplement with guys, especially guys like 40 plus. On TRT, testosterone can increase DHT, the hormone most closely linked to prostate enlargement and male pattern hair loss. Saw palmetto helps support healthy DHT balance by naturally modulating 5-alpha reductase activity. Yep. And you see these plants down in Florida all over the place too.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, that's long been a popular one for guys.
Yeah, exactly. There's two reasons, of course. The one being prostate health, which as you get older is an issue, or if you're on testosterone can be an issue. The other nice side effect of this product, like NutraBio's prostate, is the blocking of the DHT. Now it's not going to be as strong as something like finasteride or those other those prescription ones, but this is a natural DHT blocker. So if you are concerned about your hair and or prostate, a product like NutraBio's prostate can help in both those areas, which is good.
So we have a ton of standalone saw palmettos as well.
Yeah, I see. This one's a newer one that it's nice. It has a heavy dose of the saw palmetto and a bunch of other ingredients for your prostate.
And it's also a popular addition to a lot of the pro-hormone hair loss stacks.
Yeah, that's a great one too. Okay, so the last one is ashwagandha. Now we've talked a lot about ashwagandha over the past few years. Not only it does have an effect of increasing testosterone levels naturally, but the big thing people take it for is helping with cortisol and controlling stress. Especially with increased testosterone levels, you got that feeling of more tests and everything, but that can increase cortisol. It can increase stress that you're under. So something like ashwagandha can help support that cortisol balance and then your overall stress. And I believe High Tech uses the KSM 66 at the clinical study dose, so that's a good one to try.
One other great one didn't make the list, but I'm a big fan of Blackstone's Adrenal support.
Oh, okay, yes.
So that's another great one to check out too.
Yeah, guys, so there's a lot of products I know that you can take, like creatine monohydrate, you can take zinc, a lot of other compounds out there, but these are the top three that we've talked to customers about that have, shown interest in these products after talking to their physician. So again, DIM for estrogen, prostate NutraBio for is the saw palmetto, but it helps with the hair loss and the prostate. And last, ashwagandha for stress support. So these are all available at BestPriceNutrition.com. That's John, I'm Jeff, thanks for watching.